Hello children, welcome back to the English class. Children, in the last class we learnt alphabets and their sounds, phonic sounds. Now today we are going to learn our textbook part. Children, before that I'll show you our textbook. Children, this is our textbook for UKG, class UKG. This is our English textbook. English textbook. So from this textbook we are going to learn some new topics today onwards. We will go to the topic. Children, from our textbook, a very interesting topic we are going to learn today. See children, see some pictures are here. All of you observe and some letters also here. See each cloud has two pictures. Each cloud has two pictures and also one alphabet. Yes, in the first cloud, what are the pictures are there? Axe and mango. Axe and mango. See children, which picture makes a sound? See all of you. A says a. Here, letter A is here. So, which picture makes a sound? Mango? No. Axe? Yes. A for axe. A for axe. And in the next cloud, what are the pictures are here? Flower and cake. Flower and cake. So, what is the sound C says? C says k. C says k. So, which picture is making sound k? Children say yes, cake. C for cake. C for cake. Very good. We will go to the next cloud. Here, two pictures are present here. What are the pictures are here? Tree and duck. Tree and duck. So, what is the letter is here? D. D says D. D says D. So, which picture makes the sound D? Tree? No. Duck? Yes. Duck. D for duck. D says D. D says D. Very good. In the next cloud, two pictures are here. Bat and sun. So, what is the sound of letter B? B. Very good. What is the sound of letter B? B. So, which picture makes the B sound here? Sun? No. Bat? Yes. B for bat. B for bat. Very good. We'll go to the next page. See here, identify the picture and encircle its initial sound given in each balloon. So here, four balloons are here. How many balloons are here? Four balloons are here. In each balloon has different pictures. Each balloon has different picture. Yes. So in the first balloon, what is the picture is here? Elephant. Very good. Which letter makes the sound here? E. Very good. E says a. Elephant. E says a. Elephant. Very good. Here in the next balloon, what is the picture is here? Grapes. Grapes. All of you say grapes. 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 Yes. A makes the sound G? No. C makes the sound G? No. Which letter makes the sound G? Grapes. G. Very good. G makes the sound G. So G for grapes. G for grapes. Next in the third balloon, what is the picture is here? F, 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 fish. Very good. Fish. Very good. So, which letter makes the sound F? Yes, F. F makes the sound F. F for fish. F for fish. Good. In the last balloon, what is the picture is here? House. What is that? House. H. H. Which letter makes the sound H? D? No. C? No. H? Yes, very good. H says H, H, H. H for house. H for house. Good. Then here some more pictures are here. See, we have to identify the letters and pictures. See children, match the picture with its initial sound. Again initial sound. Initial means starting sound. See what is this picture? Igloo. Igloo. E. Igloo. So I makes the sound igloo. E. Yes. What is the next picture? Lion. 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 Initial sound is l. L. La. Lion. So match like this. And what is the next picture? Here is a king. King. K. King. King. K. K for king. Initial letter of that picture. See, who is here? Here is a joker. Here is a joker. Initial letter of joker, J. J. J for joker. Here, match the picture with its initial sound. Again, initial sound. Starting sound. Starting sound. Here, see children, all of you. N for noodles. N for noodles. N. Noodles. N. Okay. Next picture. Orange. Orange. What is the sound of this picture? First initial sound. Initial sound. Yes. O. O. Orange. O for orange. What is the next picture? Pencil. Yes. Pencil initial sound is P. P. P for pencil. P for pencil. O for ostrich. Ostrich. Yes, initial sound. Starting sound you have to match with that letter. What is the next picture? Parrot. Parrot. What is the starting letter for the parrot? P. P. P for parrot. P for parrot. Who is here? Next. Monkey. Monkey is here. What is the sound for monkey? Initial sound. Mm. Monkey. M. M for monkey. M. Yes. Next picture. Newspaper. 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 What is the sound? Initial sound. Mm. Mm. Yes. N. N for newspaper. N for newspaper. Very good children. Children, here again some more sounds are here. See all of you. Say all of you the letters. Which letters are present here? T, R, Q and S. Yes children. First we will say the sounds of that letters. See children, first T says T. T says T. R says R. 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 Q says Qu. Q says Qu. And S says S. Yes children, these are the sounds of these letters. First we will see T for kite. No. T for dog. No. T for telephone. T for telephone. In the next picture, this girl is saying the sound R. R. So, which picture matches to this letter? Flower? No. So, we have to find out the starting letter. C. Apple? No. R for rat. R for rat. Yes. Next. Q for mango. Q for mango, isn't it? No. Q for ladder. Yes, Q for ladder. No. Q for quill. Q for quill. Q says quack. Q says quack. Q for quill. Q for quill. S for wall. No. S for hat. No. What is the sound makes snake? Snake. S for snake. S for snake. S says very good. We'll go to the next page. Here, put a cross and those that do not belong. So we have to identify the sound of the pictures. Identify the sound of the pictures. First letter is U. First letter is U. U for umbrella. Very good. U for table. No, it will not come. U for balloon. No. So we have to cross on that two pictures. Not table or not balloon. Okay. What is the next letter? W. W. W sound is V. W sound is V. So W for watch. W for watch. So we'll put cross mark on cup and drum. On cup and drum. Here, what is the letter is here? X. X says x, x, x. X says x, x, x. So, X for Xmas. X for Xmas tree. So, what are the pictures we have to put cross out? Book and star. Book and star. Here, last letter C. What is the letter is here? V. What is the letter is here? V. V says V. V says V. So, what is the picture? V for vase. V for vase. So, for which pictures we have to cross out? Socks and ink pot. Socks and ink pot. So, children, all of you practice the letters and their sounds. See, children, one more example is here. See, here two letters are here, Y and Z. Y and Z. What is the sound for Y letter? Y. What is the sound for Y letter? Y. Y for yo-yo. Yo-yo. Very good. Y for yacht. Y for yacht. And here in the second umbrella, what is the letter is here? Z. What is the letter is here? Z. Z for zip. Z for zip. And Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Yes, children, I hope you understood the topic, letters and their sounds. Okay, children, all of you practice letters and their sounds. All of you practice all A to Z letters and their sounds. In the next class, we will meet with a new topic. Until then, bye bye.